Auzubillahi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is social study class for grade 3 from Pakistan International School Taif. Dear students, today we are going to start uh, lesson 12, money and banks. Okay, video number 17. Open book page 41. Come to page number 41, and today we are going to start reading. In this, as you know, the name of the lesson is money and banks. So here we shall start our reading today. Many thousands of years ago, there was no money. Okay, dear students, many thousands of years ago, there was no money. People did not use coins when they wanted something. They gave something else in exchange. Okay, for example, a man could exchange some chickens for a goat or a sheep. Okay, useful things had a greater value. People who owned land were also rich because they had crops and animals which were something of value to exchange. And this system of exchanging goods was known as barter. What is barter? System of exchanging goods is known as barter. Here you can see that they are exchanging goods with each other. Okay. Barter was also done in exchanging for work. A landlord hired workers as payment for their work. They were given grain or vegetables. The workers could then exchange the grain for other goods. If a worker needed a new pair of sandals, for example, he would pay the cobbler with some chickens. Page number 42. Uh, this is how business was done a long time ago. However, doing business in this way was sometimes difficult because people could not always take 10 cows and a sack of grain every time they went shopping. So it was difficult. In the 7th century BCE, the Lydians, people from Lydia, a country near Greece, invented money. Okay, when was money invented? In the 7th century BCE, money was invented by the people of Lydia. The Lydians had plenty of gold, but because gold had plenty of because gold was quite rare, it had great value. Traders began to use pieces of gold as money. Okay. Later on, coins were produced in silver, copper, bronze, and other metals. Before, the coins were made up of gold. Then, the coins were produced in silver, copper, bronze, and other metals. These are cheaper. The coins had picture are written on them to show where they came from, or the image or the name of the ruler of that time. These coins had a high value. Much later, because coins were heavy and not easy to carry around, paper money was invented. The Chinese were the first people to print and use paper money from 600 CE onwards. Banknotes as paper money is known as are printed by the government so people can be sure that they are worth the sum printed on them. Today, the government of each country produces its own notes and coins. This money is called currency, and every country has different currency. Like Saudi Arabia has riyals, Pakistan has rupees, American currency is called dollar, etc. To be useful, money must be light enough to carry. It must be possible for large sum to be divided into smaller sums. It is not safe to keep large sums of money at home. Okay? This is why people keep their money in the banks. Anyone with money can open an account in a bank. Each, each person with an account is a given checkbook. Then, instead of paying a large amount of real money, they can write a check. The money is transferred from one person account to other person's account. This makes payment easy and safe for people. One may also use a credit card instead of money. Nowadays, you can see that there are credit cards. A credit card is a small plastic card issued by a bank. It allows the holder to make purchases on credit. Credit means buying something and paying for it later. Credit cards are also known as plastic money. Okay? Credit cards are also known as plastic money. You can draw mean take out money from your account using a debit card given to you by your bank. The card is put into the ATM. ATM mean automatic teller machine. This is automatic teller machine and its abbreviation is ATM, which gives you the money when you type in the right information. Have you seen your parents use on ATM? I think all of you seen these things. Here you can see the building of State Bank of Pakistan. This is State Bank of Pakistan building. The State Bank of Pakistan. This is the central bank of Pakistan and it is operated by the government. The bank controls the issue of banknotes and currency. It holds the country's reserves. Country reserves mean this means the financial wealth and saving of country. The state bank sees to it that the country's economy is stable. Okay. The State Bank of Pakistan was founded in 1947 and began working from July 1948. Okay. Its headquarters are in Karachi and there is another main offices in Islamabad. Okay, dear students, you have to read this lesson 2 times in your home. And inshallah, in next video, we will do our exercise. Have a safe time. Stay home. Stay safe. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.